Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck, weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parb, one of the editors at Work Truck. We all understand just how much there was to see on the show floor at Work Truck Week 2025. I mean, it was a lot. Actually, it was probably more than any of us could possibly get around to see in just a few days in Indianapolis. When I visited the WeatherGuard booth, I learned they have some interesting products that will launch in 2025, some earlier in the year and others near the end of the year. But let's first start with something that the WeatherGuard team told me about when I visited the booth. It's the Modular Truck Cap System, which made its debut during Work Truck Week. I was told this gives workers their space back, meaning the inside of the cab. With this new cap system, all tools and gear can be stored securely and of course protected from the weather in the back of the truck. And it truly is a modular system. Starting with the truck cap frame, popular configurations include adding high sides, a sliding ladder rack, and a retractable cover. The demo model on display at the show featured shelving inside the high sides. But what if you need to haul a large item in the bed? Well, WeatherGuard has you covered, and I mean literally. The rear door and the roof of the system are retractable for easier transport of larger items in the truck bed. The modular truck cap system seems like it will be a hit with work truck owners. However, it's not available until December of this year. So, let's take a look at some of the other new products that you can get your hands on sooner. Let's talk for a moment about another new WeatherGuard upfit for pickup trucks. The new WeatherGuard pack rat drawer units are designed to offer superior truck bed storage with highly organized and easily accessible storage for tools and supplies. They are available in multiple models with customizable compartments and dividers. These also feature repositionable vertical partitions for enhanced flexibility. Plus, the reinforced top holds up to 2,000 pounds. Let's talk van upfits, and these are available this spring. The new WeatherGuard folding shelves are designed to maximize van space by conveniently folding up and down as needed. Designed for seamless integration, multiple shelves can be connected using removable end caps. The shelves are lightweight and easy to adjust, while also being built for heavy loads up to 300 pounds. Key features include one-handed operation, quick and efficient installation, and no floor drill setup. WeatherGuard is also launching its pro-grade van flooring. The new rigid flooring features a tough composite construction with a rubber overlay providing a solid, non-slip surface. Now available in 12 vehicle models including Ford, Ram, Mercedes, and General Motors, the flooring ensures a precise fit every time. The new WeatherGuard improved custom-sized storage bins are engineered to organize essential supplies and fit seamlessly with WeatherGuard static shelving. With a secure front lip, these bins keep contents in place during transit and prevent sliding, spills, or disorganization. So when you spec upfits for your work truck, pickups, or vans, be sure to check out what WeatherGuard has to offer in 2025. They probably have whatever storage and cargo upfit you need for your fleet vehicle. Be sure to come back next week to see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.